Have you ever wondered what the deepest place on Earth looks like? Not a mountain, not a canyon, not even a cave. There's a place on our planet so deep that Mount Everest could fit inside it, and its peak still wouldn't reach the surface. Scientists have explored Mars. They have mapped the Moon. But this place remains one of the greatest mysteries on Earth. Today, we're exploring some of the deepest places ever discovered. And the final one is the place we just described. Before we begin, subscribe for more fascinating mysteries, strange places, and incredible facts. Let's dive in. Lake Baikal, located in Siberia. This is the deepest lake on Earth. Its maximum depth is over 1,600 meters. The lake contains about 20% of the world's unfrozen fresh water. It is also the oldest lake on Earth. Some scientists believe it is more than 25 million years old. Hundreds of species found here exist nowhere else on the planet. In winter, the lake freezes into crystal clear ice that can be transparent for several meters. Some areas look so clear that people feel as if they are walking on air. Strange, cracking sounds often echo across the frozen surface, creating an almost alien atmosphere. Even today, new discoveries continue to emerge from its dark depths. But lakes aren't the only places hiding incredible secrets. Veryovkina Cave, the deepest cave ever explored by humans. More than 2,200 meters underground. Reaching the bottom can take several days. Explorers must squeeze through narrow passages, cross underground rivers, and navigate flooded chambers. Only a small number of people have ever seen its deepest sections. The cave is so remote and difficult to access that every expedition becomes a serious challenge. Deep inside, explorers have discovered chambers that remained untouched for thousands of years. Some parts of the cave are completely isolated from sunlight. The environment is so extreme that even simple communication with the surface can become difficult. What scientists found next wasn't a cave at all. Kola Superdeep Borehole, the deepest hole humans have ever drilled into Earth. Scientists pushed more than 12 kilometers into the planet's crust. They hoped to learn what lies beneath the surface. But something unexpected happened. Temperatures became far higher than predicted. The rock began behaving almost like plastic. Eventually, drilling became impossible. The project was abandoned, yet it remains one of humanity's most ambitious scientific experiments. The project shattered expectations about what exists beneath Earth's crust. Scientists discovered ancient rocks that were billions of years old. They even found traces of water far deeper underground than anyone thought possible. But the ocean holds places even more extreme. Tonga Trench, hidden beneath the Pacific Ocean. This enormous underwater trench reaches incredible depths. The pressure here is almost impossible to imagine, thousands of times greater than what we experience at sea level. Yet strange creatures survive in this darkness. Some species have adapted to conditions that would instantly kill most life on Earth. Sunlight never reaches these depths. The environment is in permanent darkness. Every expedition has the potential to discover species that science has never seen before. Much of this trench remains largely unexplored. And beneath the surface, there are still mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Krubera Cave. For many years, this was considered the deepest known cave on Earth. Explorers discovered underground lakes, powerful rivers, and strange ecosystems hidden far below the surface. Life exists here despite the darkness, despite the isolation, and despite conditions that seem impossible. Researchers have found tiny creatures surviving in complete darkness. Some organisms spend their entire lives without ever seeing sunlight. These discoveries help scientists understand how life can survive in extreme environments. Every expedition revealed something new. The next place is so vast that much of it remains unknown. Tonga Trench, one of the deepest locations in the Indian Ocean, stretching for thousands of kilometers. This giant underwater abyss reaches depths of more than 7,000 meters. Scientists have explored only a tiny fraction of it. Large sections remain poorly studied. Powerful earthquakes can occur along this region because of massive tectonic forces beneath the ocean floor. These movements continuously reshape parts of our planet. It is one of the reasons why this area remains so important to scientists. Even today, researchers continue searching for answers hidden in the darkness below. And now, the place we mentioned at the beginning, the deepest known point on Earth, Challenger Deep, hidden inside the Mariana Trench, nearly 11 kilometers below sea level. If Mount Everest were placed inside this abyss, its summit would still remain more than 2 kilometers underwater. Only a handful of people have ever reached the bottom. In fact, more humans have walked on the moon than visited this place. The pressure is so extreme that it would crush most submarines. Yet life has been discovered even here. And despite modern technology, we still know surprisingly little about what exists in these depths. The deeper we explore our planet, the more mysterious it becomes. Which of these places surprised you the most? Leave a comment below. Stay curious. Keep exploring the world's greatest mysteries. And we'll uncover the next one together on Informboom.